Hello, and welcome back to ProdMind, where we empower the product management community with the knowledge and tools to succeed. I'm excited to have you here today as we dive into one of the most crucial steps in bringing any product idea to life: building a prototype. Whether you're a product manager, an entrepreneur, or someone just starting out with a new idea, prototyping is an essential skill you need to master. It's the bridge between your initial concept and the final product, allowing you to visualize, test, and refine your ideas before they hit the market. But where do you start? How do you choose the right type of prototype? And what tools should you use? In today's video, we're going to break down the entire process step by step, guiding you through the journey from your initial sketches to a fully interactive prototype. We'll explore different types of prototypes, from low-fidelity wireframes to high-fidelity mock-ups, and I'll share tips on choosing the right tools that fit your specific needs. But it's not just about building something that looks good, it's about building something that works. That's why we'll also discuss how to test your prototype, gather feedback, and refine your design until it's ready to transition into a minimal viable product, or MVP. And don't worry if you're new to this. We'll be covering everything in a way that's easy to follow and understand, regardless of your experience level. So by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to bring your ideas to life through prototyping, and you'll be equipped with practical strategies to start building your own prototypes today. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of prototyping together. Let's get started. Let's move to introduction to prototyping. Prototyping is a crucial step in the product development process, allowing teams to visualize and test ideas before full-scale production. It serves as a bridge between concept and reality, ensuring that products meet user expectations and functionality requirements. Now, let's understand why prototyping is essential in product development. Prototyping plays a vital role in product development by enabling teams to experiment with designs and gather user feedback early on. This iterative process minimizes costly mistakes and aligns the final product more closely with user needs. What are the benefits of prototyping for beginners? For beginners, prototyping offers a hands-on way to understand design principles and user interactions. It fosters creativity, encourages feedback, and provides an opportunity to learn from mistakes without significant resource investment. Types of prototypes. There are various types of prototypes, ranging from low-fidelity sketches to high-fidelity interactive models. Differentiating between digital and physical prototypes allows teams to select the most suitable approach for their specific project needs. Here in this video, we see a young woman confidently presenting her prototype to a stakeholder. Her passion for the product shines through as she walks them through each feature, explaining the user flow and design choices with clarity and enthusiasm. The prototype, a culmination of her hard work and creativity, is met with nods of approval and constructive feedback as she listens attentively, ready to refine and perfect her vision. Now let's dive in and understand the types of prototypes. Prototyping comes in various forms, each tailored to specific stages in product development. Understanding the differences between low-fidelity and high-fidelity prototypes, as well as digital and physical prototypes, is crucial for selecting the right approach in your design process. First one is low-fidelity versus high-fidelity prototypes. Low-fidelity prototypes are simple sketches or mock-ups that focus on basic concepts and user flow, often using paper or digital wireframes. High-fidelity prototypes, on the other hand, simulate a working product with detailed design elements, interactions, and near-final functionality, providing a more realistic user experience. Second is digital versus physical prototypes. Digital prototypes, created using software tools, allow for easy iterations and user testing without significant resource investment. Physical prototypes involve tangible models or products, essential for evaluating the ergonomics, materials, and user interactions in a real-world context. Now let's move in and understand how to gather requirements. Understanding user needs and defining core features are crucial steps in the prototyping process, ensuring that the final product meets expectations and solves real problems. Careful consideration during this phase can significantly enhance the usability and relevance of the prototype. Understanding user needs. User needs are the foundation of any successful product. Conducting interviews, surveys, and observations allows designers to gather valuable insights into user preferences, pain points, and behaviors. Prioritizing these needs ensures the prototype addresses the right challenges effectively. Defining core features. Clearly defining core features is essential for effective prototyping. Core features should directly address identified user needs and usability goals. Prioritizing these features helps streamline development and ensures the prototype remains focused and manageable during initial testing. Let's move and see what are the tools and platforms for prototyping available in the market. Choosing the right prototyping tools can significantly enhance the design process and ensure efficient product development. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, the right platform can bring your ideas to life effectively. Overview of popular prototyping tools. Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch are among the leading prototyping tools available. Figma enables seamless collaboration in real time. Adobe XD offers powerful prototyping and design features, and Sketch is ideal for designing user interfaces with a vast array of plugins. How to select the right tool for your project. To select the best prototyping tool, consider project requirements, team collaboration needs, and user experience design focus. Assess the learning curve and features such as interaction design, user testing support, and integration with development tools. Now let's dive into creating and testing your prototype. Creating and testing a prototype is essential for validating design decisions and ensuring user satisfaction. This process involves designing the user interface, building interactivity, conducting tests, and transitioning to a market-ready product. Designing the user interface (UI). A well-designed UI enhances user experience and engagement. Key elements include layout, color schemes, typography, and visual hierarchy, which guide users effectively through the product. Adding interactions and user flows. Incorporate interactive elements to guide users naturally through the interface. Mapping out user flows ensures that navigation is intuitive, ultimately leading to improved user satisfaction and retention. Conducting user testing and gathering feedback. User testing involves observing real users as they interact with the prototype. Collecting data on their behavior and preferences provides valuable insights that inform necessary adjustments. Iterating based on user feedback. Post-testing. Actively use gathered feedback to refine the prototype. Iteration is vital to address usability issues, enhance features, and align the product closer to user expectations. In this scene, a man is presenting his prototype to a team of decision-makers. He speaks with precision and confidence, highlighting the key features and how they solve the user's pain points. As he navigates through the interactive elements, the audience engages with thoughtful questions, and he responds with clear, well-prepared answers, demonstrating both his deep understanding of the product and his commitment to its success. The room is filled with a sense of anticipation as the prototype's potential becomes evident, and he wraps up with a clear vision for the next steps in the development process. Now let's dive in and understand the process of moving from prototype to MVP. Transitioning involves narrowing down features to essential functionalities that solve the core user problem. Ensuring the MVP effectively meets user needs is critical for successful market entry. Here I want to share some final tips for successful prototyping. Focus on key elements. Maintain flexibility, prioritize user needs, and ensure collaborative input. A structured approach to prototyping fosters innovation and increases product success. Some common mistakes to avoid. Frequent pitfalls include neglecting user feedback, overcomplicating designs, and skipping testing phases. Awareness of these mistakes can streamline the development process and enhance prototype effectiveness. What are the key takeaways for beginners? Understand the importance of user feedback and agile iteration in the prototyping process. Prioritize clear communication and usability to create effective prototypes that resonate with users. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the world of prototyping. I hope you found this guide both informative and inspiring as you embark on your own product development adventures. Prototyping is more than just a step in the process. It's where your ideas start to take tangible form, where your concepts begin to evolve into something real and impactful. It's the stage where creativity meets practicality and where you can experiment, test, and refine your vision until it's just right. As we discussed, starting with a clear understanding of the type of prototype you need is crucial, whether it's a low-fidelity sketch or a high-fidelity interactive model. The tools and platforms available today make it easier than ever to create prototypes that not only look good but also function well. Remember, the goal is to build something that resonates with your users, meets their needs, and ultimately solves their problems. Throughout this video, We've also touched on the importance of user feedback. Never underestimate the power of listening to your users. It's their insights that will guide you in refining your prototype and making those critical adjustments that could be the difference between a good product and a great one. Testing, iterating, and refining your prototype is an ongoing process, and it's where you'll gain the most valuable insights into what works and what doesn't. And don't forget, prototyping isn't the final step. It's a significant milestone, but the journey continues as you transition from your prototype to a minimum viable product, MVP, and eventually to a fully developed product ready for the market. Each phase is interconnected, and each decision you make along the way builds on the last. So take your time, be patient, and stay focused on your end goal. Here at ProdMind, we believe in empowering you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed in every aspect of product management. We're committed to helping you not just learn the theory, but apply it in real-world situations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth guides like this one. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. We're always here to support you on your product management journey. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Remember, every great product started as just an idea. It's what you do with that idea that counts. So keep prototyping, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep building amazing products. See you in the next video.